Hey Will, I came across something interesting. I heard test environments in Salesforce Commerce Cloud can cause big problems if they aren't protected. Is that true?
That's absolutely true, Sarah. Test environments are often overlooked, but if they're left unprotected, you can run into serious issues. Imagine this. Your test site content gets indexed by search engines.
Wait, indexed? Like my test data showing up on Google or Bing?
Exactly. Imagine your test data outranking your live site. That can confuse customers, harm your brand image, and even leak sensitive information.
How does something like that even happen? Isn't a test environment supposed to be secure by default?
Not always. There are two common mistakes. 1. People remove password protection for convenience. 2. They forget to block search engine robots from crawling the test site. Combine those two, and it's a disaster waiting to happen.
Yikes. So what's the fix? There's got to be a way to protect it, right?
Absolutely. And it's pretty straightforward. Here's what you do. Let's first enable password protection. 1. Go to Administration, find Sites, and find Manage Sites. 2. Select the site you want to protect. 3. Under Site Status, choose Online, Protected, and set a strong password.
Got it. Password protection first. But what about the search engine robots? How do I stop them?
Great question. That's step 2. Configure your robots.txt file. 1. Go to Merchant Tools, find SEO and find robots. 2. Select the instance type, like sandbox or staging. 3. Define custom rules to block search engines from crawling the test site.
That makes sense. So password protection keeps unauthorized users out, and robots.txt prevents the site from showing up in search results. That actually sounds simple when you break it down. Is there anything else I need to keep in mind?
One last thing. Always review and update your passwords regularly. Teams change, and you never know who might still have access. Also, double-check those robots.txt settings every time you deploy a new test site.
Got it, Will. Passwords, robots.txt, and regular reviews. This all sounds like a security must-do. Thanks for the tips.
Happy to help, Sarah. Now go and shield your test environment like a pro. And if you need more tips, just ask.
Follow these simple steps to secure your test environment and keep your data safe. See you next time.